So in today's video I'm going to film a Halloween tutorial. I know I have not filmed in months, but I was looking up a line of Halloween tutorials and I saw this, so this is kind of inspired, but kind of put my own twist into it. Also, if you guys want other Halloween tutorials, leave them down below. Also, before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys post on your post notification. And yeah, this is what the makeup looks like, and yeah, let's hop right into the video. So let's get started with the makeup. So first I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and just outline my face, and then I'm also going to outline the little drips on the side of my face with Solace. I'll move on to the beauty side of my face. I'm just going to take my foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Focus Foundation. I'm just going to apply that to my face and then use a beauty blender to blend it out. Now I'm going to take my Morphe concealer and apply that under my eyes and also on top of my eyelids, and then use the same beauty blender to blend it out. Now I'm going to take a press palette. This press palette is from Rimmel London, and I'm just going to use it to set my concealer and also my foundation. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to take my NYC bronzer and just bronze my face. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette and take this light brown eyeshadow and put that into my crease. Deepening my crease, I'm going to take this dark brown eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette and put that into my outer crease and blend it out. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and just apply mascara, and also the mascara is from CoverGirl. To the last thing on the beauty side, you can for your highlight, so I'm just going to take my highlight and put that into my inner corner, also on my high cheekbones. Now move on to brows, so I'm just going to take my eyebrow pencil that I love from e.l.f. and just brush them out and then fill them in. So now I'm moving on to those skull sides. So first I'm just going to outline my eye. I'm just going to outline my nose and fill it in. Now I'm just going to take some black face paint and fill it in my eye. Also, leave a comment down below. Tell me what your guys going to be for Halloween. And also a good tip to make the black all even, just use your fingers to blend it out. Now to make sure the whole eye is black, I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and put it in my waterline and also my tight line. Now you just want to set that black face paint, so I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow to set it all. So now moving on to the fun part, making the teeth. So I'm just going to take some white face paint that I got from Walmart and just start creating the teeth. And also the teeth don't need to be perfect. I'm just going to take some white and gray eyeshadow to set the teeth to make them a little bit dirty and rustic. So now I'm going to take that same black eyeliner that I use on the face and just outline the teeth. So now for the top of the teeth, they kind of look like Hershey Kisses, but it's kind of like for the gums and stuff. Now I'm going to draw a backwards C from the top of the tooth down to the bottom of the tooth, and then I'm going to fill it in. And also kind of want it to be like a gradient effect, so like dark in the back and like lighter to the front. I'm just going to use that same white face paint that I used for the tooth and fill in the rest of the face. Now moving on to the side where the little drips are, so I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and also some black face paint and fill them in. And also you want this to be really black, so I kind of went in with a second layer. Now for the actually really fun part is making the little drips. I know you can use gelatin to do this, but I just kind of used my foundation and kind of dripped it onto my face to make the little effect. And I also put some little drips onto my face. And that was my video. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.